So some of you have been asking for better demonstrations of our quick lugs fastening system and better pictures and stuff, so it's kind of hard to get a feel for the size of these things in a photograph and also their function. So we're going to show you some of the differences here in the different sizes that we offer, and show you here's an actual penny. That's, you know, the base of our short ones is pretty much exactly the same size as a penny, diameter wise and thickness. The lug height on both versions is the same height, and so is the diameter, so they both work with the same grommets. Our short version has 1032 internal threads that can be used with a standard machine screw. The standard height version has a 1/4 inch thick base on it with 1/4 20 internal threads. And they can be used in conjunction with our aluminum bungs with a stud. This has a stainless steel Allen screw stud in it, and so they can just be threaded on like that, and then you choose whichever size grommet you want. So the ones we offer right now is a thicker version, thin version, and a thin high temp version. There again, to use a penny as a demonstration, this fits a penny just perfect. So this one will work good for anywhere from 20 gauge to 16 gauge steel, and this one will work on up to 90 thousandths, perhaps a little bit thicker. There's a little bit of a range there because they do have a little bit of movement in them. So once you get your quick lug screwed on to your bung or mounted from the back side with a standard fastener, so here I'll show you how to do that. You can just take a 1/4 20 bolt. If you want to bolt it to the back side of your panel, you just drill a 1/4 inch hole and bolt it in. Or you can use the aluminum bungs. Right now we only offer aluminum ones. These can be welded into aluminum valve cover or anything else that's aluminum. They can be cut to length. The threads are 3/4 of an inch deep. So then you just choose whichever grommet works best with your material thickness, and they pop right on, but they're not as easy to get off. So that's the beauty of them. They offer vibration dampening. They reduce noise from squeaking and all that. But then to get them off, they pop right off. If you use a little bit of petroleum jelly on there, they work even better. And so here's our black thin version. And here's the black thick version. As you can see, it makes a real nice detail. And that pretty much does it for that video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.